Yeah, I just think it's that relentless pursuit of a positive customer experience. I know, and admittedly, when I worked for Eli Lilly, it was something that we talked about all the time. It's not what you say; it's how does the customer feel? How does your client feel? How do potential clients feel? Do you really mean what you say? If you say you're going to do something, if you say it's going to be delivered at this time, do you really do that? Do you let
Right.
people down? So I think for us, it's that hallmark of always putting the customer first, even when it can be very expensive for us to fix a mistake or timely, or we accrue overtime. It doesn't matter. At the end of the day, it's how that customer feels. Because as I mentioned, we don't spend a lot of money on marketing, but our marketing is the word of mouth of our customers who had a positive experience and share it with someone else. Or, yeah, this may have happened, but man, the way they fixed it was amazing. Because the truth is, there's going to be mistakes in laundry. There just are. And we try desperately so that there aren't. But I think one of the other things I've learned in business is it's not so much that people expect you to not make mistakes. They want to see how you react and how you fix it. And so for us, that's been great. And so when you ask about the company and how we continue to grow and fuel all these initiatives and things that we're doing, the customer experience is at the heart of all of it.